This is a demonstration on how you integrate your content in the quizzes with Klaviyo integration. So you can use Klaviyo integration. So when the user take the content and then save their lead data on the content, the data will be transferred to Klaviyo and Klaviyo will create a contact information of you. So for example, here I have created a content in the quizzes. I added this form fields, first name, last name, email address, and phone number. I also created question one and two. I mean question one, and then we have the result one and two, which is mapped to the results here below. So on the configure tab, you will be adding Klaviyo integration. Here, you select the list you will be using for this one. And then the only field that is required here is the email address. But for this example, I will be also mapping the first name, last name, and the phone number. And for example, I will just I will map for example, the tag here on the business or organization, just for an example. And then click save. Make sure that the content is published, and then we will be taking this content just to make sure that our contact is saving in Klaviyo after taking the lead quizzes content. So here's my email. Then I will select result one, and then we will be checking if the contact was saved on Klaviyo. So here, the profile was created from lead quizzes to Klaviyo. And then you will see that the first name and last name is correct. Also, the email, and then the phone number is also correct. The organization which I mapped for the result was also correct. So if the same user took a content and then the content is mapped onto a video, if the user updated any of their data to also be updated on Klaviyo. For example, I will take the same content here, but it can also work with different content, but it is connected with the same Klaviyo account. So for example, I will be using the same email, but updated name. For example, John updated to then an updated phone number. I will also update the tag here result 2. And then we'll check if the data was updated here in Klaviyo. So here, the name, the last name was updated. The profile number, phone number was also updated, as well as the organization.